Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to switch between different shooting modes on your DJI Osmo Nano. So at the very beginning, open this main shooting screen, it's right here, and then just swipe left or right, it depends of your device, to switch between scenes. As you can see, it works for me from left and from right. Okay, and here we have different modes. So we have video mode, just standard recording with full stabilization. Super night is just for low light scenes, slow motion records at high frame rate, I think in 240 FPS, and a time-lapse ideal for capturing long things like sunsets or sky movement, city movement. Here you can set up parameters of your shooting. For example, for video, here I can select the resolution, I can select the type of recording, wide or ultra wide, rock steady or disable stabilization. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helped. If it's true, please consider to leave a like, and bye. See you.